This, if your CapCut is like this, or your editing software, this is how you know that a lot of work has been gone into it. Like the editing on it is a lot. You can see so many features added, so many trimmings, and let me show you the down part. You can see this is hard work. A lot happened in the video, hence why my editing is this much. Me? Oh, this is my daughter. How much did you buy them? 1,000. Wow. I hope it's sweet though. One. I'm telling you, I'll tell you. She said it's sweet. But where you buy? What happened? Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, this one doesn't have leaves. So shade all his body.
Only the side that does not have leaves.
Oh, the tiny side.
Yes, the tiny side.
Wow, shade it as much as I can.
What's the next one?
I'm sure I don't know that.
Which happy face? You have shaded it now. So we should do.
Only they said we should write. We should read and sign. No.
Okay. Why is that chicken making noise in my video?
Should I minus 8?
Yes, minus 8. The next one.
I'm going to do this one. I don't know.
Count 17, remove 13 again. He said you should exhibit these shapes in colorful pictures: pentagon, hexagon, semicircle, diamond, and nonagon.
Okay.
So this is what I do. I already have a template on Canva. I use Canva to do all these project assignments. So this is a template of something I've worked on before. So I'm just going to delete all these elements, and then so now I want to add my own shapes. So instead of going to normal Google and just Google shapes, which you can do that as well and import it through here, which is the upload. So what I will do is just choose on Canva, sorry guys, Canva elements, and search for, let me search for, what is that shape again? Pentagon. Pentagon. So just going to search that, and now I have colorful pentagon shapes, and I can just check on graphics, and yeah, I can choose any of this color.
My favorite, choose that one.
Okay, though this is not really blue. Yeah,
I like the dark blue, not that blue.
so I don't know what color is this. So I'll just move it in just to make it small, because I'm assuming this is an A4 paper, so that when they print it, it will just be easy for me to cut it and then paste it here. Choose black. Mind you, you can change any of the colors from here. You can just choose any color you want to change it. And yeah,
I'll choose red now.
I should choose red.
Yes.
Okay, let me choose red. And red it is. I like this color. I think I'm just going to change it to all these characters. I can see that they have so many recommendations here of all the shapes. So I'm just going to choose any of these. Anyway, that's how you can just do your child's assignment quickly. Canva has a lot of stuff that you can just use at your disposal, and you can just Google, upload it from here, and just drag it in. So that's how I get my son's assignments done quickly, and then I'll just download this. So I have someone that I just sent to our WhatsApp. She's not staying too far from our house. She has a business center. So I just send it to her, and then she prints it. And maybe when my husband is coming back from work, he just picks it on his way back. And that's how I just make sure that we do assignments seamlessly without stress, because I don't like stress. I always find ways to just make things easy for me. So, and she has been printing for me for years, so I just send it to her WhatsApp. She knows what to do. She will just print it in colored, and my husband will pick it up for me. I hope you've learned one or two on how to get your child's or your ward's assignment done quickly, and that's about it.